Umunye wodwa kule nkonzo yesikhumbuzo nomngcwabo kaMarius van der Merwe. uVan der Merwe ubulawa nje ubelwisana nozamazama kanti watshela ozakwabo ukuthi wesabela impilo yakhe.
I remember 2 weeks ago he was saying to me, Duma, you know what, people that are going to kill me are the Madlangas, not the Zamazamas. And it was just, we were laughing because of he was a funny person. If we go, let's say we have operation at 4 o'clock, he would go there alone by 2 o'clock and fight and push them, you know, and comes and hey, but I was here earlier before you guys, so it was a hero to us.
Abesebenza nabo ekulweni nobugebengu bathi kuneziphathimandla ezibavimbayo ekwenzeni umsebenzi wabo uma sekusele kancane ukuba babambe abenzi bobubi.
There's a lot of corruption that are happening from the top to the bottom. So it's not an easy thing to fight this corruption because there are people that are rotten leaders that are busy pursuing these things and are busy pushing this thing under the ground. Sometimes at some point we'll go, I remember when we go X Zoktola in KZN, when we're there as a secret company, we're told that there's a drugs and everything. We're stopped, they search our guns, and while the criminals are there, out doing their own things.
Bathi ukushona kukaVan der Merwe kuyabagqugquzela ukuba basebenze ngokuzikhandla kanti bazoqhubeka lapho egcine khona.
We are still going to fight. We are not afraid of the criminals. We guarantee the families that we will do all our best to help the families to get the closure, to get those who did everything that they did to him.
uMarius van der Merwe wadutshulwa wabulawa ngemuva kokufakaza eKhomishaneni kaMadlanga emasontweni edlule. Watshela ikhomishana ngokwenzeka ngesikhathi kubulawa owokufika kuleli efela izandleni zamaphoyisa. Isidumbu sakhe salahlwa edanyini ngonyaka u2022. Kukholakala ukuthi iveni elimhlophe elasetshenziswa ababulali bakaVan der Merwe litholakale elokishini lase-Alexandra enyakatho yeGoli. Abangani kanye nomndeni abebehambele inkonzo yesikhumbuzo kaMarius van der Merwe banikwe ithuba lokubeka izimbali phezu kwebhokisi lakhe lomngcwabo kanti kulindeleke ukuba alothiswe.